there, welcome to another episode of Ink Drops. I'm Brianna, and I thought it is a great time to show you some of the basics of using a RISO Inkjet, especially since we've talked about one of the many features, advantages, and benefits of a RISO is its ease of use. Here you can see, this is where paper will get loaded into the device, and in a moment you'll see inside the machine that short straight paper path, which allows us to produce the great speeds that we've talked about in other episodes. Also, I wanted to talk to you about our control panel, which is set up for its walk-up functionality. This screen can be customized depending on what your needs are. This particular one is set up for printing from storage files, or printing from USB. This also has an external controller of a Fiery attached, which is why you see this icon here. You will also see the system info button, which allows you to see some key information about the printer, as well as maintenance. From the maintenance screen, you will be able to open up and see inside the machine, as the front cover is normally locked. By hitting front cover release, it's going to take the time to lower the conveyor belt down and giving you more room to work inside the machine. You will also see we have some physical buttons down here, and those can be customized, and in this situation it's been assigned F3, also for front cover release. But since we use the control panel, the front door is already unlocked. The first thing I hope you notice taking a look inside our unit is how user-friendly and simple it should look. Every blue dial or knob is a touch point. Should something need to be addressed, the control panel will not only tell you which dial needs to be handled, but step by step walk you through how to address it in order to handle whatever it is that may need to be addressed. Now, in order to print, you need inks inside the unit, which is why I think now is a great time to show you how easy it is to load inks in and out of the machine. This is a cardboard cartridge, which is fully recyclable, and it has a bladder inside of it which holds our oil-based ink. Be cautious, because at the end here is where some wet ink can be found, and it could get on your hands or clothes if you were to touch it. All our cartridges have this handle here, which makes it easy to put it in and out of the machine. To put it in, all you have to do is slide it into the corresponding slot and push it in until you hear the click. And that's how you know it's loaded properly. From here, you will see that the control panel is offering for you to shut the door, because it knows all the inks are loaded and everything else is set up properly. So we'll go ahead and close this up. And I'd like to talk to you about print head cleanings, because they are related to our inks. And every time a RISO inkjet is powered on or wakes up from an extended sleep period, it automatically does a print head cleaning, which is it takes a single drop of ink and then across all the print heads, blows air strongly across it in order to make sure any dust or particles that may have rested on an ink head while it was in sleep mode have been taken care of. While I just mentioned this happens automatically, sometimes you may notice while printing a thin line through your document. Perhaps some dust got into the machine beyond when it was just in the sleep mode, or it wasn't in sleep mode long enough to automatically do a print head cleaning. You can ask it to do that print head cleaning from going back to the home screen. In the maintenance screen is this print head cleaning. So you can ask it to do a head cleaning at any point in time. You'll see it gives you two options for a normal and a strong cleaning. A normal cleaning will do that single drop and just blow the air across all the print heads one time. If you were to do a strong cleaning, it will actually blow it through 2 times. Most oftentimes, a normal head cleaning will take care of anything you may be noticing. A normal cleaning takes about 30 to 45 seconds, and a strong cleaning can take about 90 seconds. For today's situation, we're just going to do a single normal cleaning. And what it's doing right now is raising that tray back up, putting that single drop of ink on every print head, and blowing the air across it. And that's just the beginning of just how user-friendly a RISO is. And in other episodes, we're going to talk about other simple walk-up functionalities that you're likely to use in your day-to-day operations. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.